Moving on to question 8 now from the Core Pure CrashMaths paper. We're dealing with matrix transformations here. So question 8, part A, we have to write down the matrix A, which is a 2 by 2 matrix, which represents a stretch of a scale factor 5 parallel to the x-axis. And it's only one mark, and really you just need to know the matrix for this. So A is going to be equal to, so because it's a stretch of 5, I'm not really sure why my finger's doing that, 5, so it's going to be 0, 0, and then it's going to be 1, like that. So that's just your matrix A. Now for B, we're given a lot more information. We're given the matrix B here, where K is a constant. We're told the transformation T is a transformation represented by the matrix A, followed by the transformation represented by the matrix B. The vertices of the triangle T1 are mapped to T, or mapped by T, sorry, to points that form the vertices of triangle T2. We're told that T1 and T2 have the same area. We have to find the possible values of K. So, quite a bit going on. First, let's make sure we understand what the transformation is. So, it's the matrix A followed by the matrix B. So, be very careful here. This now, for part B, this is represented by B times A, not AB. So, you've got to be very careful for that, guys. If you get this the wrong way around, everything's going to fall apart. So, it's BA. So, that's 1, 3, 5, K times 5, 0, 0, 1, and that's going to be equal to, so obviously just do this 2 by 2 matrix by multiplication, 5, 3, 25, K. So I'm assuming that you're okay multiplying the two matrices. So for example, you're going to do 1 times 5, and then, you know, it's 3 times 0. So you add them two elements. So 1 times 5 plus 3 times 0 is just 5. So that's your first element, for example. And you're going to do that for all elements in the 2 by 2 matrix. So that's the first bit that we need. We need this matrix here, BA. Now, the next important bit is that we're given that T1 and T2 have the same area. So what that actually means is that the determinant now of this matrix, so BA, what it means is that the determinant is either plus 1 or just 1 or minus 1. So the determinant of BA is plus or minus 1. And that's because they have the same area. So let's work out the determinant of this now. So 5 times K, so 5K, minus 25 times 3, so minus 75, is equal to plus or minus 1. That's what we've just established here, knowing that they have the same area. And now we just need to solve it to get the two values. So 5K is either going to be equal to 76. 5K is equal to 76. So therefore, that would be 76 divided by 5. Or 5K is equal to 74. Hence giving us that K is 74 divided by 5. So there are my two K values, and that's how we obtain them. So I hope that's okay. Quite a quick question, but the last bit has a few tricky parts. But if there's anything unclear, guys, be sure to leave a comment below.